Hi, this is Mike Cimino with Collector's Dream Cars, and we are driving in a very, very nice 1957 Thunderbird. Before I start this car, I wanted to show you that the improvements to be able to start this car in park has been done. Because every 57 Thunderbird, or any 55 to 57 Thunderbird, is started in neutral. This car is started in park. And it starts right up. Let's give it a roll. What makes this car cool? Well, is that it's cool because it has air conditioning. And in Nevada, when it's going to be 115 degrees today, we're going to turn on the air conditioning. Very nice drive. Second, third. This vehicle is equipped with all the original equipment, including the bi-ply tires. It has been fully restored and drives smooth. It is equipped with both tops, both the hard top and the soft top. Soft top is also black. So we're going to make a U-turn here, and we're going to do the braking to display that the car has great brakes, powered brakes, original. Power steering, power brakes with the 312 4-barrel V8. Let's give it a run. Runs beautifully. '57 Thunderbird. This is at the top of the DNA. It's been completely restored, and it has some minor improvements that make it really fun to drive. My name is Mike at Collector's Dream Cars. Give us a call about this '57 Thunderbird.